making your alternators last a little bit longer. And this is a Leece Neville. I think it's a 60 amp alternator, and just wanted to kind of let you see what comes out of this thing. After this I don't work in a whole lot of dusty situations. This is just really a road tractor, and just wanted to show you some of the results of maybe about a month worth of operating with the trash that comes out of it. Try to turn that down when we edit the thing, but and I'll also get the mileage. I don't have the hours that's on that, but mileage. That thing's lasted for a long time. It could quit tomorrow, but if you keep that trash blowed out of it, I'm sure that will help the longevity of the lifespan of the alternator.